This video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add music to your Facebook profile. Now by following these exact steps, you will be able to add music to your Facebook profile using PC or laptop. And this is a new update, guys, and this is very easy. All you have to do, like I said, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to add music. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do, if you don't have Google Chrome, you want to download Google Chrome because this works better on Google Chrome. So if you don't have it, just download it and open your Facebook there. After you do this, if you want, you can delete it after you have done the steps that I'm about to show you right now. Now if you have Google Chrome, just open your Facebook on Google Chrome, and after that you want to right click. If you are using PC, or right click, okay. If you are using laptop, right click here, and then move your mouse to inspect, okay. Click on inspect, and then you want to click here. You want to toggle this on. This, as you can see in the top right, you will see here this small phone with iPad, with tablet. Now you want to click on it. After that, after you click on this one, after it's blue, make sure it's blue. You want to reload the page, okay. Click on reload here. After that, guys, I'm going to remove the song that I have added to my profile so that I can show you how you can add it again. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit, okay. And after you scroll down, guys, you want to click on music. You will see here a few different options. You want to click on music. If you see multiple options, swipe to the right and you will see music. Click on music, click on add song in the top, and then select the song that you want. For example, Drake. Click on add, and then you want to click on three little dots. After you add song, click on three little dots here, and then select pin to the top of your profile. Now after that song has been pinned, now everyone who is using the phone will see the song here, but I don't think they are going to be able to see that. People who are using desktop, I don't think they are going to see the song here. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.